Hello children, today I will teach you a new lesson. Hello children, today I will teach you a new lesson. Lesson number 10, money. Lesson number 10, money, and page number 65. Today I will teach you an interesting chapter. Interesting chapter, money. In this chapter, we will read about money. As you know money, student, money is very important thing in our life. When we go to buy things, we need money, and rupees is our currency. Let's read a new chapter, money. We need money to buy things. So we use coins or notes. Indian currency are rupees. Indian currency are rupees. The symbol of Indian currency, this. Following are the coins and notes used in India. This is so student, these are coins, and these are notes, This is 50 paise coin. This is 1 rupee coin. This is 2 rupee coin. This is 5 rupees coin. This is 10 rupees coin. This is 20 rupees coin. And these are notes. This is 1 rupee note. This is 2 rupees note. This is 2 rupees note. This is 5 rupees note. This is 10 rupees note. This is 20 rupees note. This is 50 rupees note. This is 100 rupees note. This is 200 rupees note. This is 250 rupees note. This is 200 rupees note. This is 200 rupees note. This is 200 rupees note. This is 500 rupees note. This is 500 rupees note. This is 2000 rupees note. And this is 2000 rupees. So student, these are notes and these are coins. So student, now open page number 66. So student, page number 66. Complete the following exercise. Here you have to do add of these coins. And page number 67 and page number 67. Match the following carefully. With the notes and coins. And match with the correct rupees and coins. Do this exercise with the help of your parent. Thank you and have a nice day.